Hello co-teachers, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to share with you again one ESL companies who's hiring ESL teachers. They cater Japanese students and they are looking for office-based and home-based teachers. So let's check the details. Hello again co-teachers. So here I'm going to present a company named Jpenglish or JP Network English Corp. I have been hearing this company and I think the reviews are also good from those teachers who are already working here. So let's check them out. So let's see. The company profile. So JP Network English Corp is a company that handles online business English conversation lessons. Though such companies are a few numbers worldwide, our company is making a name on the international business scene. We manage online English conversation teachers and provide training to business professionals for companies. We are currently providing lessons to clients in Japan and China, but there are plans to offer lessons to other non-English speaking countries in the world. So I think this company is pretty much stable. So I think it's good to be part of this company. So let's see. The application process. First, you have to undergo initial screening, phone or Skype interview, and English exam. And then after that, you're going to be sent to online training, initial demo class, final demo class, profile requirements, paid online training, and finally launching or orientation. And then that's the time that they're going to give you or assign to you some students. So they provide 25-minute English lessons to Japanese students. So they have Japanese students and they also have Chinese students, and they are going to expand to other non-native English countries. Also, you have to go online 30 minutes before your first class. So maybe you're going to prepare, or meron pa siguro kayong gagawin, or you're going to like review your lessons, or they are like expecting you to review your lessons before sumalang sa klase. So you also have to maintain good attendance record, evaluate students' performance. I think most of the ESL platforms or companies, they are expecting you to evaluate your students' performance, because this is also one way to retain your students and also to make them, feel that they are being taken care of and that their progress is being taken care of. So there, and you also have to provide appropriate recommendations and monitor their progress, post lesson memos, and submit sound files. And also you have to attend training as needed. So I really love companies that are not only their students are progressing, but also their teachers. Okay, so attend training as needed, and if ever makapasok kayo sa JP English, I suggest that you take advantage of these situations. These could also make you improve more as a teacher. So there. Also, some benefits. So let's go to benefits. You can earn as much as 40,000 per month. Classes may be assigned to teachers. These are sure classes or reserved by students booking system. So I think they have two systems here. You could have regular classes, maybe by request, and also booking system. So you choose your teaching schedule between or within 4 a.m. to 12 midnight. I also have tried applying in this company. I'll share it later. And that's why I considered to apply in this company, is because they have morning classes. And these days, I really wanted to go back to morning classes, because in Bunny English, my schedule is between 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the morning. And then, now that it's regular days, I work from 1 p.m. So, nasasayangan ako dun sa oras na hindi ako nagwo-work. Or parang may pagka-workaholic kasi ako. Pag wala akong ginagawa, although I spend time with my kids, but then, pag wala akong masyadong ginagawa, like in the morning, sobrang tanghali na ako nakakagising. Unlike before na, meron akong klase from 5 a.m. till like maybe 11 a.m. or 12 noon or noon time, feeling ko ang productive ko. And sobrang gusto ko talagang gumigising ng maaga. Kaya lang, in Bunny English, they offer like those schedule. So, yeah, I wanted to work again in the morning and wake up like 5:30 a.m. like that. So, yeah, I tried applying here. So, the schedule will be within from 4 a.m. to 12 midnight. And also, you could get a raise increase after 3 months. So, this is also very promising. Because I have heard that per hour here is like 160 pesos. But then, you will not just settle for 160 pesos because they have some bonuses, incentives, and you can also get a raise or a rate increase for 3 months or after 3 months. So, you can receive monthly incentives, work with their accommodating, supportive staff, and then teach their respectful and professional Japanese students. What I also like about Japanese students is they are professional talaga, and they are very willing to learn. Hindi mo kailangan na makiusap na please mag-concentrate ka or mag-focus ka, because in some nation, because some other English learners, you could really sense na hindi sila interesado, or especially younger learners, that they are just being persuaded by their parents to learn. Hindi ganun ang Japanese students. They are very professional and they are really respectful. I have experience teaching Japanese students as well back in the past. So, there. And also, okay, ang likod ng camera mo, girl. With or without teaching experience, these are the job requirements. With or without teaching experience, fresh graduates, this is also what I like. That's why I presented this company to you guys. Fresh graduates are encouraged to apply. Undergraduates are also welcome to apply. So, yung mga undergraduates dyan, because I am also receiving some messages asking me if I know some companies accepting fresh graduates or undergraduates, and this is Jpenglish. So, I suggest you guys try to apply. Okay? Must have an exceptional command of the English language. Proficiency in the Japanese language is an advantage and comes with a special rate. So, if you guys are proficient in Japanese, you can go ahead and apply. Willing to work for at least 8 hours a day for 5 to 7 days a week, and you have to have a laptop or desktop computer. Hindi siya pwede sa mobile phone or like smartphone. You have to have wired internet connection, LAN, with a speed of at least 3 Mbps, and applicants using any wireless connection won't be entertained. So, this is one of the most common requirements if you are a beginner in Eslteaching. So, data is not allowed, I mean, pwede siguro siya if you are having like a problem with your internet connection just for the time being. So you could just use your data. I'm talking about the general requirements for ESL teaching as well. So if you really want to last in this industry, you have to make sure that your internet connection is stable. So, lagi kong sinasabi na ang sikreto ko talaga, that's why I lasted like 9 years and counting having this field or working in this field is because of my internet connection, which is very stable, and also my husband because my husband has been very supportive of me, of what I'm doing. So I'm telling you guys that you have to have a good support from the people around you. If you are working and you are a mom or a dad, you couldn't really concentrate or focus in your job if you have some other responsibilities, like you have kids, or you know, if your parents are like old people already and they need, you know, like proper care and assistance. You couldn't concentrate in teaching if you have other responsibilities like that. So you have to have a strong support system, and also your internet connection. So those are the two important things for you if you want to last in this industry, because you really have to focus on your class each time. So there, and you have to have a clear webcam and a headset with external microphone. So this is another, you know, general requirement if you wanted to be an ESL teacher and you wanted to push through with this or in this industry. And you have to have a working environment conducive for online classes. So if you don't have, well, just like what I was mentioning earlier, you really have to focus and you really have to have that workplace wherein ikaw lang doon and, you know, walang nagdidisturbo sa'yo. Or if hindi naman, if you can afford buying kind of like a high-end headphone or headset, well, you can do so. You may do so, because you have to really do your best so that you will not be disturbed while teaching. So the teachers, they are also kung maliit lang yung space nila, naglalagay sila ng egg trays around their office because it can filter noise from the outside. And yes, or like foil ba yun? Parang foam siya na silver there. So you can just have that working environment which is not very noisy, and if workplace is noisy, you can just do something about that. Okay, so that's about JP English. I was just so excited to share with you about this company, and yes, I hope you do consider to apply. It's not for a referral system. I just felt the need to share this company because they are promising, and yes, aside from they have morning classes, because some of you guys are looking for morning classes as well, just like me. And yeah, they are accepting non-native English teachers with or without experience. If you're interested to apply, you can send your resume to jpenglish.recruitment@gmail.com. And after you submit your resume, you're going to receive this email. I have submitted my email, my application as well. As I've said, I'm looking for like early morning classes these days. So there, they will say, thank you for your interest in JP English Corporation. You have passed the paper screening for online English teacher position, home-based, office-based. We would like to invite you for a quick online assessment as soon as possible. Going to click the link. I have tried clicking the link, but I'm not ready to take the test yet. because I'm doing something else first. But I think later on I will pursue with this online test. And then I will update you guys what will be the result of my application. So there, sabay-sabay tayo mag-apply. And so that's it, guys. I hope you could consider to apply, and leave your comments below if you need some assistance. And also update me on the result of your application. So thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye!